Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. This vlog is going to revolve kind of around a little mini bedroom makeover. It's not going to be anything drastic, but I do have a few exciting new pieces coming for my bedroom this week, so I figured I would vlog the process and show you guys kind of how it comes together. I want to show you what my bedroom looks like currently so you guys can get a before idea. It's not bad at all. I'm fine with how it looks now, but I want to love my room, so I feel like these little tweaks this week are really going to pull it together. Okay, this is my bedroom currently. I'm not sure the last time I showed it in a video, but not too much has changed, except I did bring my other nightstand in here so it was more symmetrical. And then I also got this giant cactus. I named it Chriselle. So Chriselle is in here. This area with my couch is pretty much the same. As you can see, I have my weighted blanket just balled up here. I do have a fix for that coming. Then we have my dresser, which I do want a new dresser. I'm in the market for that, but I'm also fine with this one. It works, so it's not on the top of my list. And then this lamp, and that's pretty much my room. Oh, and then over here, I do have this full-length mirror from IKEA. I would like a taller one, but once again, I don't really think that's a necessity right now. And then I do have these pillows just sitting here in the corner, which I do not love, but hopefully later in the week, this will change. So I need to address these lamps. Guys, they're so tiny, and I couldn't tell how tiny they were online. I got them from Target online, and I thought they were so cute, and I was a little bit skeptical because they were only $15, and now I know why. They're literally a miniature. I wanted to tie in more black in my bedroom because I do have that black curtain rod and the black mirror and the black on this lamp, so I liked these, but they're just so small, so I'm gonna return these. And I actually did get new lamps in the mail, so I'm about to unbox those. You guys might know I used to have this same lamp in the table lamp version, and I still have it, and I absolutely love it. And I was just gonna get another one of those so my bedside tables could be symmetrical, but of course they stopped making it, and I can't find it anywhere online. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get new lamps, and I still have that lamp. It's sitting in my office spare room right now, which another makeover for that room is coming soon. Oh, and one more update. I did order a headboard, but that's not gonna come in time for this video. I'll put a picture here of the headboard that I ordered, but I'm really excited. I've wanted a headboard for so long, and I kept procrastinating buying one, so you guys can imagine what that will look like here. I have my dishwasher running, so sorry if you can hear that, but that is the Target box with the new lamps. And then I do have this basket from IKEA that I got to put my weighted blanket in, so I'm gonna bring this in my room and put the blanket in there. I think it's just gonna add a nice touch, and this was only $24 at IKEA. I already feel like it looks so much better. It's so cute. It's like the perfect size. I honestly need to try and find something like that for here. But yeah, I will link this basket down below, and I will try to link everything down below that I show in this video. I might just be dumb, but that was oddly difficult. So I think I have them assembled correctly, and I'm gonna go put them in my room. That may have taken me a hot minute, but I'm actually really happy with how the lamps look. They are a much better size, in my opinion. My current dilemma, I'm sure I'll talk about it later in the week, is I am getting new bedding this week, which is exciting. And as much as I love these pillows, I kind of want symmetrical matching pillows. And when I got these, I was more into the mixed pillow look. So I'm kind of undecided on what I'm planning to do with the pillow situation. Nevertheless, I am happy with my new lamps. I just went to a new plant store. It's called Orchid Fever. And I got one of these little guys because my friend Brooke got this plant from the same store, and hers grew so much, and I think it looks so nice. So I was planning on putting it inside this black pot that I had a plant in that died, and then put it on my dresser in my room just to bring in a little more green. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will see what it looks like. Here is what it's looking like. I was able to just drop the little pot it was in inside the black pot that I already have, and my friend's has grown super long, so I'm hoping it'll start to grow and I can like trail it down this side. I also got one for my bathroom, so I might as well show you guys. But I've had this plant up here for a minute, and I got this little guy today to put in this little black pot. There we go. This is what it looks like with my light on. But I think these shelves look super cute now. I love plants so much, clearly. Hello friends, it is a new day. I am very excited because today my new duvet cover from Parachute is supposed to arrive, and I've been looking forward to it for so long. I'm anxiously waiting for the package to be delivered. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to stop by a Target because it supposedly has 2 pillows that I was thinking of purchasing for my bed. I don't know if they will be too big, but because Target has such a good return policy, I want to buy them and then see how they look with the new duvet cover and reevaluate. I saw one of these pillows yesterday in Target. Yes, I was at Target yesterday too, and I loved it, but they only had one, so I didn't buy it. And this other Target is supposed to have both, so I'm gonna head over there, see if they have the pillows, and then hopefully by the time I get back, that duvet cover will be here and I can put together my new little bed setup. So even though Target was a flop, I swear every time I see something online at Target and it says it's available in a certain store, I don't think it's ever been available when I go there. They didn't even have one of those pillows. So I think I might order those online. But the exciting thing is I came home and my package from Parachute was here. So I'm going to unbox this and hopefully get it on my bed. Okay, so first thing I'm seeing is the duvet cover. I got the linen duvet color in the color Bone. I didn't want a pure white just because that scares me. I feel like I'm gonna get it dirty. So I got their Bone color, and this is kind of just like a beigey, a super light beige, which I really like. And then I got the matching pillowcases. These are cool. These are back envelope pillowcases, so they don't have the opening on the side, so I feel like these will double as decorative pillows once I have the cases on, hopefully. And then I also got one of their silk pillowcases, so I'm super excited. I will be linking all of these down below. They are definitely pricier, but if you guys are looking to invest in high quality bedding, then I think these are great. So the one thing is I don't technically have a duvet insert. I do have like 2 comforters that I originally got from Urban Outfitters, so I'm gonna try and use one of those as the insert for this cover. But I think eventually I want to invest in a nicer high quality down insert. I'm hoping that this fabric isn't sheer because the comforter I want to use is kind of like a dark blush color. It doesn't look sheer, so I guess we will see. Hopefully this lighting's okay. I had to close the back window because it was making the lighting a bit weird, but this is the current comforter that I'm going to use as an insert, or at least try to use as an insert. This white one that I currently have on my bed is just a little bit flat. It's not as fluffy. Step 1, I'm going to switch out the pillowcases. The material doesn't look sheer, so I'm hoping my pink comforter does not show through, but we will see. This is what the new bedding is looking like. Guys, it's seriously so soft. I love it. I know the pillows are looking a little bit sad. I also have to keep in mind that I know I will have a headboard. It's just not gonna come for about a month or so. I kind of want the only pink in here to be my couch and my rug, and then have my bed be pretty neutral. So that's kind of my dilemma. I have so many pillows, but none of them even work for the vibe that I'm going for. But I love this bedding so much. I'm so excited to sleep on it tonight, and I will be figuring out the pillow situation. It's just gonna take me a minute. Hey guys, so it is a new day. I just got out of the shower, so that is why my hair is wet. It is day 3 of searching for these pillows, and I went on Target's website because I was going to just order them. And then apparently it said that they were available at a store near me, but But I have learned my lesson and I did not trust that. However, there was an option that I could pick them up in that store next day, which is now today. So I selected that option. I already paid for them and it says my order is ready. So it seems like they will be there, hopefully. So I'm gonna head over to that Target, pick up those pillows, and then I guess we can see if they even look good on my bed. The bedding was so comfortable last night. I didn't sleep well, but it wasn't because of the bedding. Honestly, I just drank wine before I went to bed because I was watching Bachelor and I feel like whenever I drink, I just don't sleep well. I have secured the pillows. They are very giant, but they're so soft and squishy, so I really hope they look good on my bed. Here are the pillows in comparison to my couch. I don't even know if you can tell how big and fluffy they are. And I only have a full-size bed, so we will see if these are too big. I hope they're not because they're so soft and comfy, but let's see. So the verdict is the pillows are big, but I actually like how oversized they are, and I kind of just chopped them in the middle, and I think this looks cute. But I took these white pillows that were initially with these neutral ones on my pink couch. I don't think the pink couch needs 4 pillows, so I like these. I'm debating putting a pink one in the middle. I do like how the black pillows ties in the black accents. This corner is just a pink pillow disaster, but here's kind of an overview of what it looks like when you just walk in. Okay, it is a while later. I have my favorite comfy thrifted pajama shirt on, and I'm just about to take off my makeup and wash my face, but I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the sponsor of this video, as well as a new skincare brand that I'm trying out. I love trying out new skincare brands, so I'm super excited to tell you guys about Tula. Tula is a doctor-founded, clean and effective skincare and wellness brand where 100% of the products are formulated with probiotics and superfoods. So Tula is a skincare brand that focuses on being healthy and not perfect and loving the skin that you have, which I think is really great. It can be so easy to compare yourself with someone that you think has perfect skin, and maybe your skin can't look exactly like that, but it can look healthy for you, and that's what's important. And Tula products are cruelty-free and never tested on animals, which is something that is always important and amazing. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I received from Tula and have been testing out, and just show how I've been using them and how they work. First up is the No Makeup Replenishing Cleansing Oil. This helps to take all of the makeup off my face. A lot of times I'm using a waterproof eyeliner or some waterproof mascara, and I used this the other night with that and it completely took it off, and I didn't really have to scrub hard or anything like that, so this is great. I have somehow misplaced the box for this one, but this is the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This just helps me prep for the rest of my skincare, and I found it to be very gentle, which is always nice. This is the Self-Care Sunday Nourishing Face Mask. Face masks are always fun, and now that The Bachelorette has started, I kind of feel like I need to use this and drink some wine and just live my best life. Super random, but my under eye area, specifically on the right side under my eye, has been so dry and just raw and irritated. So I've been using these two Tula products a lot under my eye in that area. So this is the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream, and this is the Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. So I've kind of been switching on and off using these, using both, and my under eye has definitely got a lot better, and I've been making sure to put this all over my face because this time of year my skin tends to get super dry. You guys know I'm basic and love anything pumpkin, so this is the So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. And last but certainly not least, this is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen. I do go to the beach a lot because I am in Southern California and it stays fairly warm all year, so a nice sunscreen that I can use on my face is a necessity, so I'm very glad to have this. So if you guys want to try out Tula, you can go to tula.com and use my code TASHAFARSACI for 15% off your entire purchase. I'm just gonna chill the rest of the night, and then I think tomorrow or potentially the next day I will give you guys the reveal of my current bedroom situation. I'm pet sitting tomorrow, and I normally leave my bedroom door closed because Desmond, the pug I pet sit, he is so adorable and squishy and I love him, but he's also so hairy, and I try to contain his hair in this room and not let it go into my bedroom. So I don't know if I'm gonna film that tomorrow, but the next time you see me, I will be giving you guys the final update, at least for now. I'm sure I will have some more additions when my parents come and they can help me hang stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited and happy with how it's turning out. I had to include a Desmond cameo. Hi, Squishy. You wanna say hi? Say hi to my video? Okay guys, stay tuned for the final bedroom look. Okay guys, it is a new day and Desmond is gone, so I'm finally ready to show you guys how my room came together. It is unfortunately a little bit cloudier today. It's not very sunny, so I won't have the natural light in my room, but I still think you guys will be able to get a general idea of what it looks like. So let's go look. All right, so this is what my room looks like when you first walk in. I put all the lights on so it doesn't look as gloomy in here. Here is the pillow situation that I decided on. I'm actually not sure if I want this mauve fluffy pillow or light pink pillow, so I will replace that and show you, and you guys can tell me which you prefer. This is the other pillow that I was considering. I think I like this pillow better individually, but I feel like the fluffy one goes better with my couch and the rug. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, I can always switch it out since I have both, but I am really happy with how the pillow situation turned out. I like this a lot more. I think it looks more mature. It's obviously more symmetrical. Chriselle is here in her full glory. I know she is kind of tilty, but that's how she was when I got her, and it's really hard to make her not tilty. If you guys have any suggestions for that, definitely let me know. I did move my laundry basket that was in the corner into my closet because I had extra room in there, so now this corner is less cluttered and Chriselle gets the full spotlight. My couch is there in all its glory. I actually like it more with less pillows because you can see more of the couch. And then I have the same blanket basket and trash bin. This is my closet, and this thing hanging on the door is actually a macrame plant hanger. I'm waiting for my parents to come so my dad can help me hang something. So that's why this is here, but I will be hanging a plant in here and I think it will look really cute. This area looking pretty much the same, except I do have the addition of that new plant. And then over here, once again, I still do want a taller mirror, but I'm also thinking that when my parents come, maybe I'll do like a floating shelf up here, and so I can have even more plants. Let me know what you guys think of that idea. This isn't even the best spot for a mirror because the lighting is not good for mirror selfies, so I'm almost like I don't even want to buy a new mirror for this spot because it won't even be good lighting. I left these white boots here because I thought they just looked kind of cool. That is my bathroom, and yeah, that is my room. Like I said, I will try and link everything that you can see in my room in the description box, so if you guys are interested, definitely check down there. So I think that is where I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's not completely done. These were just the things that I could do on my own, and I do think that even though they were minimal changes, it made a really big difference, and I'm a lot happier with how my room looks now. I look naked, I am not naked. But if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is just @Tasha. Love you guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!